What's up guys, Jake for Fitness Culture. We are back for day 6 of the Drive program. So if you've been following along, you've probably already got the download, but if you haven't, we put a link in the description where you can download this entire week and kind of follow along with the workouts. These videos are gonna be more kind of like exercise demos, so you can follow the download in the sheet, take it to the gym, and see if you like this program. So today's gonna be a high volume, lower body day. We're starting off with some sumo deadlifts, 15 reps. Let's get into it. All right guys, so the way we're doing this today, it's gonna be 3 sets, 15 reps. We're gonna go 45, 50, 55%. I'm just gonna be going off, I haven't sumo deadlifted in a long time, so I'm just gonna go off 650 right now. And this is gonna be my first set of 15. We just wrapped that up for the deadlifts. Now the next thing we got today, we're gonna be doing just sets of 10 each leg and then 10 on the hamstring curls. We're gonna go squat down. We just wanna make sure, taking a nice big step. Rolling hamstring curl, sets of 10 right here. Hips are up, squeeze. So 10 each leg, 10 reps. We'll rest for 90 seconds. We're gonna roll through that quickly 3 times. All right, next thing we got today, guys, we're gonna be doing a single leg dumbbell RDL. So if you wanna just make sure you're gonna crack that knee. I'm gonna go opposite arm, opposite leg for the way I'm gonna load this movement today. So we're gonna crack the knee and then don't bend the knee again. So basically crack it, keep it there, and then we're just gonna hinge at the hip, get a good stretch in that hamstring, and then just come back up to the starting position. So the most common mistake on this one is really people bending and then bending more and turning it more into like a normal single leg deadlift, or not really keeping that leg parallel to their body. So they kind of just bend over like this and crack their back, right? So really try, just go down to your range of motion, meaning depending on how flexible you are, you might end up just stopping like right here and coming back up. If you're more flexible and you have more hamstring flexibility, you might be able to go all the way to the ground. We're gonna superset that with just a TKE. You're just gonna put it right behind your knee right here. I just go just a heel toe relationship and then press it back. You're gonna try to extend the knee all the way, and then also try to squeeze your glute as you press all the way through. You're gonna feel a really good contraction in your quad and your VMO right here if you do it right. But really what we're just really trying to emphasize, locking that knee out all the way. So don't just cut it short like this. You wanna press it all the way through, squeeze it for a count, and then come back in. All right, the last thing we got today, we're gonna be doing a giant set. So we have 4 different exercises. We're gonna do a hack squat, a leg extension, a leg curl, and then just some single leg calf raises. 10 reps on every movement. So we'll roll through all 4 back to back to back, rest 90. We're gonna go through that 3 times. All right guys, that wraps it up for day 6 in the Drive program, and that wraps it up for our series too. So if you haven't already, click the link in our description, download this full week, follow along, tell us how you like it. If you guys like this content, please subscribe to the channel, and then leave me a comment if you think I can do something better or anything that you guys would like to see in the future. Thank you for tuning in.